Meaning of ESQ.
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 ESQ. ESQ is an abbreviation for the word Esquire, which has traditionally been used in English legal contexts as a courtesy title for men. It originated in the Middle Ages when it was used to refer to a young nobleman without a higher title, and later came to be associated with lawyers. Nowadays, it is commonly used in formal correspondence as a way to show respect or admiration towards the recipient. In summary, ESQ is an honorific that denotes social status or professional achievement in legal circles.